I know I said that episode 3 would be the one that we would have the armor. Yeah, where's the armor? And why are we filming this all in one day? I don't know. The first parts have to be uploaded by today. They need to be uploaded by today. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, so this is the plan. Okay, guys, let me just tell you something. Stop breaking the fourth wall. It's fine. Dun 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 dun. I can't reach. I'm Mr. Panda. I'm Disco Panda. I can help you find. Really? Yeah, come on, rubber. Ow. Yeah. There we go. Okay, so what do you want? Yeah, what do you want, Disco Panda? Are you working with the evil Angry Bird? Yeah, if you are, we're gonna kill you. No. No, guys, there's nothing like that. I'm not working for them. I used to. You used to? Then get out. Bob, stop being rude. Okay, tell us the backstory where we actually kill you. Oh, okay. So, it was about 20 years ago when the gang started. I remember that. Yeah, we took down their gang so quickly. It wasn't even... They didn't even have the Chinese knockoff Redbird yet. It was just the yellow and the blue. What happened? Well, they needed a leader, didn't they? Yeah, Chuck, the evil Chuck, was the leader. That wasn't true. I was the leader before. Space Bird wasn't always the leader. What? Yeah, I thought he was. I thought it was something during the Great War. Didn't we have a Great War, guys? Yeah, I remember that. I don't really, because I don't remember things. Mustachio, not really. Kind of. I do. Okay, good. Well, basically then, did you see, yeah, I saw a panda climbing trees and attacking other people. That was me. But that was 20 years earlier. I'm 30. How old were they? I was 20. They're 50, 40. They're in the 40s. So they should be really exhausted. But we don't age because we haven't been around for 40 years. I'm used. Stop breathing freaking fourth wall. Okay. The pigs want you to have a note. But we're gonna have to use iMovie on this one. Oh crap. Yeah, I know. Crap. So, cutscene. You know, I just don't know where it went. What's that? What's that piece of paper doing in there, Mustachio? I don't know. I didn't put that in there. Who put it in Red's 3DS? I definitely did. Wait, isn't this mine? Oh, yeah. There's a piece of paper inside of it. You're right. There is. There is a piece. Let me see. There we go. Let me read it. Get a better. I'll read it. I'll read it to you guys, okay? It says, dear... They said Jerds instead of birds. We will kill you. Go to Mario World to find us. We're not in space. They're not in space anymore. Okay, they must have traveled to the black hole to get there. I don't know, but there's no way we can get there. I have the ice wand. Ice wand. That can help. Really? Yes. The next episode, and we'll how would just be upload Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday. Yep, 4 videos a week. So we upload the 2 first today, 2 first tomorrow. Okay, if we can do that. But we might have to remake this video because we don't fully know how to use iMovie. So I guess we're all set. portal. Do you know the spell? Of course I don't know the spell. Do you really think I know spells? No. I mean, I can try one. Portal, portal. Wardle, wardle. Portal, portal. That's a portal. That's the portal that they used. What? They actually went in there. Well, it looks like their only way. Guys, hop in. Better guys, hop in. I saw school supplies in there. Because it's a school bag, idiot. Let's go, guys. Ow. This hurts. There's a binder in there. Bring the wand and the note and the $5. We'll probably find armor there too. Plus, they didn't even bring a map. Plus, they must have a map. Wait, there's always like 10 maps in the Mushroom Kingdom. They must have took like at least 9 of them. Yeah, true. Put me in here. Get me in here. Statue. Can I come? I don't fully trust you, but okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.